Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the radio traffic program on or off on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose to have the radio traffic program on or off on the Seat Arona. Follow the steps to learn how to turn it on or off. Tap the radio button to the left of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap Traffic Program to turn the traffic program on or off. When there is a check in the checkbox to the right, the traffic program is switched on, and when there is no check in the checkbox, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.